lead generating item number 2 for realtors or real estate agents in 2026. Social media, guys. Social media. You've got to be social on social. Time block 30 minutes a day to look at your friends only and go like and comment on their posts. 30 minutes a day to like and comment on their post. And then spend, maybe 10 minutes a day making some sort of real estate post. It could be something like a cheesy profile picture. I sell houses or something. Just something. Just get something out there. And always backlink every single image to your website. But the biggest thing is just liking and commenting on people's posts. People put their kids' sports on social media. Comment on it and like it. People put their kids' plays on there. Comment on it. Like it. People put their vacations on there. Comment. Like it. Just be social on social media. The algorithms have everybody plugged in. They're trying to make it to where everyone's even plugged in more than cell phones. Just be social on social media for 30 minutes and do not get stuck in the algorithm feed scroll craziness. You set a 30-minute timer on your phone and you tell yourself, I'm going to like and comment on 20 different friends' posts, and you get to work. This is a job. You're being social on social media. You're not talking about real estate during this 30 minutes of liking and commenting people's stuff. You are literally being a friend on social media. And if you have less than 1,000 friends, guys, you got to bump that number up. I struggle with this myself. You got to bump that number up. You got to get your friends to 2,500. You got to get your friends to 2,500. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching today's video. Give it a thumbs up. Share it with anyone who might be in a little bit of a real estate lull so they can take advantage of this video too. If you're a broker and you want to use this for a training video, absolutely use it as a training video at your office. Guys, my contact information is down below. I am dead serious about working with you at eXp Realty. I've been at a lot of brokerages over the last 18 years, and I would love to work with you over at eXp Realty. No place is perfect. No place is perfect. I do have problems occasionally with the transaction team. I do have problems occasionally with just general stuff. There's no place that's perfect. Even when I had my own brokerage, it wasn't perfect. But guys, the pros absolutely outweigh the cons over at eXp Realty. Click the link down below. Let's schedule time to talk together about how eXp Realty is obsessed with your success. Whether you're a broker owner, team leader, new agent, or seasoned agent, I'd love to work with you at eXp Realty. This playlist that's popping up right here, that's a playlist about something. I don't know yet. And then this video right here, the algorithm thinks that's the video that you should absolutely watch next. That one right there. They know when you should go potty and eat. So I guess you should watch that video too. All right, guys. See ya on the next one.